What's up everyone, welcome to the channel. On today's video I'm going to be showing you how to tie this tie right here. How to get your tie looking this good, looking this beautiful. It's going to be super simple, super easy. Stick around. I'm going to show you all the steps involved into getting your tie to look just like this one. Okay, so firstly we are going to put our collar up just like this. Okay, once your collar is up we can begin. I want you to take the tie and throw it over your shoulders, and I want you to make sure that this thicker side right here is hung over your left hand side. Once it's hung over, then you're going to bring this side here, drop it all the way down and bring up the shorter, thinner side. There we go. At this point you may want to also just do your button here. There we go. Righto. Okay. Once the short point is up here, we can now begin. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to take the left hand side and cross it over the right hand side. Okay, cross it over the right hand side, just like that. Then you're going to take this longer side here that you just crossed over and you're going to fold it underneath. Okay, fold it underneath. There we go. Just folded it underneath. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take this right here, this thick piece here, and you're going to throw it into the center, this part here, and you're going to push it and thread it right through. Throw it in and pull. Pull. And once you've done that, it should form that nice little thing right here. Once you've done that, then you bring this long part over to the right hand side and you bring the pointy part, the thick part again, and throw it through, pull it down just like you did on the other side. So I'm going to take this here, I'm going to throw it through here, and I'm going to pull down. There we go. Now you should be left with something that looks like that, and this longer part here should be on the side here. So what I want you to do now is I want you to take this piece here and I want you to bring it to the left hand side. Okay, and once it's on the left hand side, I want you to wrap it around the front. You're going to wrap it around this here. You're going to wrap it around just like that. So now it is covering. Okay, you've just done that. Okay, and once you've done this here, you're going to take this end part, this part right here, and you're going to thread it from the bottom through here. So I'm going to take this part here, I'm going to thread it from the bottom underneath and pull it out the top. Okay, once you've pulled it out the top, it should hang over like that there. All you need to do now is you need to make sure there's a bit of a gap in this point here, because you're going to want to thread the tie through, just like my finger's going through. You're going to want to thread the tie through that. Okay, so you're going to make sure there's a bit of a gap here. There we go. Okay, and I'm going to take this pointy part here, the thick part of the tie, and I'm just going to thread it through this gap here, just like I'm doing in my finger. Take the pointy part here and thread it through. There we go, look, it's through. And once it's through, I'm just going to now pull down, and while I'm pulling down, I'm going to use my two fingers and push this up. So I'm going to pull this down and push this up simultaneously, just gently, not very hard. And once that is done, the final bit would be for you to now grab these 2 points here, grab the tie here, grab it here, and as you pull down, squeeze here so that it creates that nice little triangle pointy V at the bottom. So I'm just gonna grab here, and I'm going to pull. Okay, now the last bit would just be to make sure that this point here is nice and tucked in and it's got that nice rounded bit. If you feel it's loose, you can just do another pull. And there we have it. All that's left now is to grab this little point here, grab the tie here, and pull the tie up. There we go. And lastly, put down the collar and just adjust one more time. Move the tie around so that it's sitting nicely. Make sure that this point here is nice and slim, and voila, your tie is complete. And I mean, look at this, it's the perfect tie. It looks great, the length is perfect. Just want to adjust this slightly more this way, and just to make it tighter, you just pull this down and push this up simultaneously. There we go. Beautiful. Beautiful. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you make a perfectly easy, simple tie. Quick to do, straightforward, simple, nice and easy. It's that easy, guys. Get a good close-up of that, look at that. It's perfect. Beautiful, beautiful tie. It's that easy. If you guys have any questions, just leave them down in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, subscribe. I really appreciate it. It's a big help to the channel, and we can keep on doing these awesome how-to videos for you guys. So without any further ado, go and grab your ties and start following the simple step-by-step procedure so that you too can make a beautiful, awesome and simple tie just like this one right here. All the best, guys. Thanks for sticking around. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace out. Have a good day.